The first Lucid Air Sapphire sedans have started rolling off the line at the company's AMP-1 manufacturing facility in Casa Grande, Arizona. Lucid says that customer deliveries will commence soon, and we imagine the owners are chomping at the bit to get a taste of the possible new king of the super sedans. Boasting 1,234 horsepower and 1,430 lb-ft of torque, this four-door hypercar will likely destroy everything except the most exclusive quad-motor exotica. Expectations for the model are high, especially after a head-to-head video late last year showed the vehicle destroying a Bugatti Chiron, Tesla Model S Plaid, and even a Ducati Panigale V4 SP2 superbike in a drag race. In that race, the Lucid posted a 0 to 60 miles per hour of just 2.1 seconds on its way to a ridiculous 9.1 second quarter-mile time at 157 miles per hour. The company claims it can do better, so we're excited to see all of the inevitable drag race videos. The Lucid Air has been a revelation since its debut, even though sales have been slow initially. The company has attempted to alleviate this by dropping the price on all variants of the sedan. The Lucid Air Pure starts at $82,400, the Air Touring is now $95,000, and the Air Grand Touring now goes for $125,600. Unfortunately, the Sapphire starts at an eye-watering $249,000. This puts it firmly in supercar territory. More worryingly, it's more than twice the price of a Model S Plaid, which starts at $108,490. Is the slight increase in performance worth that much more dough? That's up to the buyer, but we have no doubt that once the company can scale up production and sell more vehicles, the price will come down in due time. 2023 has been a good year for the company, thanks to a partnership with Aston Martin and the opening of its second manufacturing facility in Saudi Arabia called AMP-2. It will soon assemble 5,000 vehicles annually but can produce 155,000 EVs per year in the future. On track to produce over 10,000 vehicles this year, the company has already delivered 1,404 units, which has helped boost revenue to $150.9 million. The company is now sitting on $6.25 billion in reserves, which should be good enough to get them through the Gravity SUV's initial production and into 2025. Speaking of the SUV, it will be unveiled this November and should be an impressive addition to the growing electric SUV market.